Hi, this is a 2022 Unity LTV. This one got our single boondock package, which I wanted to talk about. I don't think we talk enough about the single boondock package, but it is also wired to handle a second battery. Now, the single boondock package gets one battery, is a Lithionics 320 amp hour battery. This battery with the Atmos upgrade that we did to this will run your AC for about 4 hours on just battery only. It also in this package gets a 3000 watt inverter and a Victron solar controller to handle the 5 solar panels we put on the roof. This is a great setup to, if you want something like, let's just say you have pets or something like that, where you need to stop into a restaurant and you need them to be in the AC while you're shopping or in the restaurant. You can leave your AC going, for up to 4 hours without any help from solar or anything else, so that your pets can be comfortable. Or if you just wanted to keep it cold while you're gone, it kind of helps bridge that gap between it being plugged into shore or generator running. It's got a couple other optional upgrades that we do to the boondocking package. Under the seat here, we have dual DC to DC chargers. While the vehicle's running, that will actually keep up with the AC. So no generator or anything else, just running down the road. You can actually turn on your house, run your AC, get the back cooled off. And that'll help it, if you're trying to, last a little bit longer on battery, or just want to run the AC while you're driving, you can now. And you don't need to run the generator to do that. We've also got this, I'll call it a get out of jail free card here. If you ever needed jumper cables, essentially that's what this is. So you're gonna actually slide this down. This is your jumper cable, get out of jail free card. Now you can start the vehicle off of your house battery. Once you're running, shut it back off and you're on your way. No need for a tow truck. Now this vehicle also ended up getting suspension upgrades. It got our anti-rock and roll package, which is Bilstein front struts, Bilstein rear shocks, upgraded helper leaf springs, Sumo springs front and rear. Now this vehicle already did have some suspension upgrades, but they weren't working out great, so it got swapped out for what we recommend. In addition to new Michelin tires, we recommend these. They seem to drive a lot nicer. So the combination, this thing is much less fatiguing to drive on the road, so you can do longer journeys and not be white knuckling the whole way. Handles crosswinds better, passing semis better, pulling out of driveways better, just everything all around is better. All right, so I mentioned earlier that it only got a single 320 amp hour battery. The reason that battery is not under the stairs is we actually wired this to handle a second 320 amp hour battery. So if this customer decides that single battery is not enough, under the stairs is pre-wired and ready to receive another battery. And it's about a 5 to 10 minute job. We open this compartment, slide the battery in, connect it, and they're good to go. They now have 2 batteries and 8 hours of AC life. So go ahead and like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this where we modify these RVs to be more user-friendly, be able to run on battery power and solar, and I'll see you in the next one.